What's good, y'all? So listen, if you know anything about digital marketing automations or AI automations, you may highly want to consider watching this video because the game has completely changed after GoHighLevel has rolled out an AI workflow automation builder. This has basically decreased the need for NAN across the entire board. I actually predict that their users will dwindle and go down significantly unless they add some more features on within the next 3 to 6 months. But I highly doubt it because GoHighLevel has been working on this for a while. So you see, prior, when you wanted to build out an automation, you had to, for one, think of the automation yourself. Think about the journey you wanted it to be. Think about the problem you wanted to solve. Think about what integrations you wanted with it. You had to actually think and manually set these up yourself. But now you can just chat with AI's workflow builder, and it will create any if this then do that statements within a CRM aspect, within a digital marketing aspect. And GoHighLevel, if you don't know anything about them, they are a monstrous of a system. The fact that you don't have to integrate GoHighLevel with anything else, such as connecting them to their websites, to their emails, everything is all in one within GoHighLevel. You can truly set up any digital marketing processes from website lead follow-up, paid ads, promotional text and email campaigns, such as 25% off if you come into our store. Anybody who is trying to become a solo entrepreneur and make somewhat automated income due to setting up automations like this one time and letting them run for $100, $200, $300, $400, $500. This is the only platform you need. GoHighLevel is the all-in-one solution. And now that they have rolled this out, this is what you should be learning to truly build 10, 15, 20K per month skill sets, right? So if you've never seen GoHighLevel's workflows or triggers, typically you're always going to start with a trigger. If you don't know anything about automations, it's always a trigger, then an action. So what triggers, what starts the information, such as when a customer clicks on a form on a website or when they submit their first name, phone number, email address. What are we going to do after that? Are we going to send a text message? Are we going to send them over to the payment page? How are we going to automate that customer journey? And you'd have to go through and figure out all of these buttons over here and kind of learn what they were. Not all of them, but like a common majority of them that you'd have to go ahead and add. And that's a bit difficult to go and find which options are truly best for you when the time comes. But now AI is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, so you can just stay a bit more general with your processes and really get it built out in totality. So let's say, for example, I want a email campaign that is for outreach to help local massage parlors get a modern, updated website. I'd like for the trigger to be when a contact is created and they have the tag of roofing. So essentially, a lot of times as a solo entrepreneur, when you want to start some type of agency slash software agency type business, as I talk about, you typically want to go and generate a list with like tens and thousands of people in the niche you want to work with. So roofing company. So basically, once I put this list into GoHighLevel, in which, yes, you can import full CSV contact files into GoHighLevel, you can integrate them in there, and then you can basically say, hey, set me up an email campaign for that type of workflow. And let's just add on some more. I would like a 5-touch email campaign with valuable, and I would like for a email to be sent every, let's go 17 hours. Please have my website link in there. And once a user clicks on my website from this campaign, then take them out of this campaign and we'll put them into another one for more warmer leads. This is honestly crazy. I've been with GoHighLevel for like 3 years. They're a $1 billion company and they're always adding new features. And the fact that they have this like ChatGPT and you can truly go ahead and build out some of these AI automations and just talk to it as you are a bot is crazy. If you want to be honest, there's only like 2 or 3 companies or websites in the entire world who has even rolled any of this stuff out, because ChatGPT hasn't, NAN has not, and they are the number 1 automation platform in terms of users as of now. So this is truly a game changer, especially when you get used to GoHighLevel, because you can integrate webhooks in here, you can integrate Zapier, you can integrate payment processors, you can integrate business owners' websites on here, connect everything to their websites. And look at this as I'm speaking. I know that this is a bit complex, but they did exactly what I said. Contact created with roofing tag, send email 1, wait for a website link click or 17 hours. And if the 17 hours happen and there's no trigger linked email, trigger link click, then we're going to send a second email. Then we're going to wait another 17 hours. And if no trigger link is clicked, then we're going to send email 3. But anytime it is clicked, anytime that trigger link is clicked and that website is clicked, that's why you see these lines. It's automatically going to move them to this stage right here, remove from workflow, and add them to a warmer leads workflow. Exactly like I said. That's crazy that GoHighLevel was actually this accurate. So you see it goes all the way down. 5 email touch campaign. Anytime somebody clicks on a email or clicks on the website link inside of that email because they're interested, we're going to automatically take them to this stage in the pipeline. But for you to actually learn how to build this out and take the time to build this out, like even for me, as I've been setting these up for years, it still would have took me, 15, 20 minutes. And if I click inside of these emails, they even have the content written for me. They literally created email campaigns. They have my custom values website link they pulled from my CRM. That is absolutely crazy what GoHighLevel has. Email signature included. Obviously, you can cater this and change it as you want to. GoHighLevel actually has an email template library. You can go ahead and set up custom emails and all of these, but the hard work is done for you. It's really crazy. And of course, if I wanted to add anything, I can just press this. I can add SMS campaigns in here. So if I wanted to send text messages, GoHighLevel has those capabilities. If I wanted to do any of these communication workflows, such as automating Instagram, Facebook DMs, you can integrate all of your social media pages, Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn through GoHighLevel, even your Google My Business page for business owners. And you can automate processes throughout all of these pages, even their paid advertisements on all of those pages. You can get your leads. You can get companies' paid advertisement leads forms from Facebook, from Instagram, automatically mapped into GoHighLevel system. So every time they actually get leads from those paid advertisements, you can just set up AI campaigns. Maybe e-commerce brands who are running paid advertisements automatically follow up with all of their leads, all of the people who clicked on their abandoned cart. I know I'm just giving you examples, but like the list is literally endless. GoHighLevel is one of the top CRMs in the entire world now. So there's very few places you can find something that's going to be this complex, robust for the next X amount of years. This right here is truly where it's at. This is something that you can start getting paid thousands of dollars in monthly recurring income with just for setting these up one time, letting them run on the back end. You didn't even get paid through GoHighLevel for every single message they sent out. So the more messages, the more emails they send, the more you just sit there and collect hundreds of bucks while they're running their email campaigns, or whatever other use case that you actually have these automations for. If you want to get access to GoHighLevel completely for free and try this tool out, I partner with GoHighLevel. Go ahead and look below and you should see a link that sends you to this page right here. You go ahead and get the free trial, and then you can begin to play with these automations along with anything else you wanted to start with GoHighLevel. If you don't know, you can actually build software products out with GoHighLevel. It's a no-code software builder. It's also a CRM. Literally one of the best platforms in the world for anybody who wants to be a solo entrepreneur with truly 30, 40, 50 different routes you can take to scale past 5 figures per month. So my name is Kevin. If you do want to learn more about GoHighLevel and starting software, agencies, businesses in general, I got a 100% free walkthrough / tutorial and the link below as well. Tons of value in there. Replace a lot of W-2 incomes with people inside of that platform, all of my guys who I'm on calls with. But yeah, definitely check that out if you want to. But other than that, hopefully you found this valuable, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.